Stop. Before you watch this video, think about someone who instantly makes people like them. They walk into a room and somehow everyone feels drawn to them. What if I told you, it's not luck, it's psychology. And today, you're about to learn 7 psychological tricks that make people instantly like you. Number 1, the mirror effect. People naturally like those who are similar to them. So when someone is talking, subtly mirror their body language. If they lean forward, you lean slightly forward. If they speak calmly, you slow your tone. Your brain sends a signal, this person is like me, and instantly they feel comfortable around you. Number 2, use their name. There's something powerful about hearing your own name. It activates a part of the brain linked to identity and attention. So instead of saying, hey, say, hey, John. It feels personal, and people remember how you made them feel. Number 3, the pause power. Most people talk too much, but powerful people know when to stay silent. After someone speaks, pause for a second before replying. It shows confidence and makes your words feel more important. Silence creates attraction. Number 4, eye contact, but not too much. Looking into someone's eyes builds trust, but too much feels uncomfortable. So hold eye contact for 3 to 4 seconds, then briefly look away. This creates a natural rhythm that feels safe and engaging. Number 5, make them feel important. People don't just want attention, they want significance. So listen carefully, nod, react. Say things like, that's interesting. I've never thought of it that way. When people feel heard, they automatically like you more. Number 6, the emotional anchor. People remember emotions, not words. So if you make someone laugh or feel good around you, their brain connects you with that feeling, and they'll want to see you again. That's how attachment begins. Number 7, the power of slight mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Be open, but leave small gaps. Let them wonder, let them be curious, because the brain is attracted to what it doesn't fully understand, and that curiosity pulls people closer. Now here's the truth. None of this is about manipulation. It's about understanding how the human mind works, because once you understand people, you don't chase attention anymore. It comes to you. So the next time you meet someone, don't try to impress them. Make them feel something, and they'll never forget you.